you missed Brett, you missed Pepe, but you are not going to miss the next wave if you watch this video, because the next wave is the open network. That is Telegram. Everybody has a Telegram. I have a Telegram. You probably have a Telegram. Everyone who is anybody in crypto has Telegram. Now they have introduced a network which allows you to trade crypto on your phone. Now you might think that, yeah, we already know this, right? The open network came out ages ago. Everybody uses Telegram. No. What's crazy is that not everybody knows how to use it. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Telegram, but I'm also going to show you what coins I'm looking at and how I already made a 30x yesterday, and I recorded it, documented it inside of my own Telegram community as well. Now, if you're new here, my name is Tyrell, and I'll show you how to make money online and invest the profits. And over the past 5 years, we've had tons of success. I've got good eyes for, figuring out the next trend, the next wave, and just trying new things. A lot of people get attached to one coin that they invested into before, which didn't do well, or another project which they're holding on to, like XRP. You've probably been asked, are you still holding XRP? I just move on. I invest in it, forget about it, and move on. And sometimes I'll fall on great things like this, right? So without further ado, what is the open network? Now, the open network is a chain built on top of Telegram. With that, it's just like any other crypto you've ever bought. If you've bought Solana in the past, if you bought Ethereum in the past, or even if you're brand new, it is fairly simple to set up. The first thing I recommend everybody do is go to Ton here and just click learn, right? Honestly, just click learn and go through this. I'm not going to go through this today on the video. I'm going to give you more practical things, but they have YouTube videos, they have explainers, they have courses. They even break down like what is blockchain and smart contracts. Now, I know most of you guys don't care about that, right? You care about how do I get set up? What do I need to do? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to any centralized exchange. That can be Coinbase, it can be Binance, it can be your Phantom wallet, literally anything. Go on there and buy Ton, right? If you can buy Ton on any exchange, you can go to CoinMarketCap here. You can click markets and you can see all of the markets where you can buy Ton. Also, if you go in the link in the description of this video, you will also see a step-by-step tutorial and other exchanges where you can go. If you don't know how to use a centralized exchange, then great. Check out this video. I have a free course of the complete basics from the beginning, right? Now, once you have purchased your Ton, then you need to set up a wallet. Now, as I mentioned before, all Telegram has wallets. So all you have to do is go here, you type in wallet. And when you type in wallet, what you will see is it will take you to something like this, and you can verify and check it's the same. This is the key thing for Ton, is because it's all built inside a Telegram. You don't really have to leave it. It's a weird thing. It's like ManyChat. If you've ever been to China or you've heard about ManyChat, you'll know they have Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever apps that they have is all inside of ManyChat. This is exactly the same. Now, once you're in here, click wallet here. This will open up your wallet. Here is mine, right? You can see the price is in AED because I'm currently in Dubai. You can also see dollars, etc. Now you have the option to add crypto, send crypto, exchange crypto, or the P2P market as well, which is like you can buy off somebody or sell off somebody. Now you can click add crypto here. Then you can either buy crypto with your bank card straight off of this app as well, or you can receive from an external wallet, right? You can see here if I click receive, Ton, continue, you can see here, receive here, right? Now you can send the Ton to here. You see this is your Ton wallet. This is currently my Ton wallet to receive tokens from there too, right? So it's very, very simple, like the fastest way to set up a wallet possible. Now, once you have received, you will see that it will show up here, right? Total balance. And here you can click your account. This is a different account that I have, right? Here, again, it's exactly the same. You can deposit, Okay, so you can send it from, what I did is I sent it from this account to this account. Very simple, right? And then you can also deposit to here. You can send from here as well. So if I want to send to anybody else, I can send my ton to somebody else. I can even send it to their Telegram account. So I could be like, oh, you know, Maurizio, shout out Maurizio, right? I'm going to send you 1 ton. Send. Right? He's going to be like, what the fuck? I'm going to be like, here you go. Present from YouTube. Give a little smiley face. See, it's fun, it's easy, and it's simple. This is the era which we're living here nowadays. And I promise you, if you're watching this and you just stay tuned, you're just gonna be light years ahead, because when the money comes, I'm gonna show you how much money you can make. It's gonna get crazy. So you can see here, I've got 800 ton. I deposited more because now I'm really bullish on it. But I also document how I've already made 600 ton as well from 30 ton, which is like, I think it's like $4.5 grand from like $300, which is ridiculous from these coins, which I'm going to show you. Now you can also see here I've bought some other tokens. So if you are interested and you want to make some money, the coin that I'm most bullish on at the moment is TSE. We'll get into that one towards the end of this video. You can also see transaction history here. Everything. It's basically the same wallet that you'd have on your phone if you ever use Phantom Wallet or MetaMask, all in one app, right? So this is where it gets interesting. Because of the open network, again, which is why I recommend reading through this and like learning it, you can create apps, you can create games, you can create all types of things with these bots, as you can see here, inside of Telegram. So if I go here, one of the bots that I've been using is called Gas Pump. Now, if you've ever used Pump Fun, you'll know that Pump Fun always had the biggest gains on Solana. Recently, though, it's became a Jeet Fest. Right? You launch a coin on Pump Fun, instantly people are just selling it because they're so scared because they've been rogued so many times, and you know, it's basically trash right now. Pump Fun is just trash. However, with Gas Pump is new, meaning there's not that many coins being created, and the opportunity is moving from Pump Fun over to Gas Pump. Now, this is Telegram's version of Pump Fun. To get on, all you have to do is click here, Gas. Then from Gas, it opens up this website again. And this is why it's so cool. You can see it's got Donald Pepe, which is funny because I've actually brought this here. And anybody can make a coin. In fact, I actually suggest you make your own coins on here. Mess around, enjoy yourself, right? You can just go in here, continue, and you can make a new coin. I'm not going to make one because I know everyone here will buy it, and I've already made a coin, right? So let's go to new, for example. Let's buy one of these coins just so you can see. Let's pick a good one. So you got Ether Ton, you got Kangaroos, Counter-Strike Ton, Top G Ton, Brett Ton. I've already have a Brett Ton. Ooh, Bonk Ton. This is cool, right? So you click 1 ton and you can buy. And this is why you see so many people moving over, because it's so simple, right? I bought 1 ton, I buy, I go back, right? Open up again. And there you go. It's literally done, right? Then I can also see in my tokens, you can see I have a list of all of them. I've got a bit of Bonk Ton. I've got Did he do it? Did he not? A bit of P. Diddy. I've got Cat with Hat, Pitchy, Ton's biggest ever coin, Pavel, who's the founder of Telegram, Daddy Coin on Ton, Dog with Hat, etc. All of these ones, like, this is how I buy things. I just buy loads of them. And you can see one of the biggest tokens which I invested into is actually Ton Season. Now, once these things fill up, and it starts at $1,000 market cap. So I'll give you an example. This one here is 16,000. So it starts at 1,000. This one says at 16,000, which is already a 16x, by the way. Meaning, if you bought it at launch when it's at 1,000, and it went to 16,000, you've now got 16 ton, right? That's why the X's are so big. It's because they're so small. And that gets even more interesting because I launched a coin on here which is called ton season. Now, the goal of ton season, you can buy if you want to buy it, you don't, but I recommend you do, right? If you come in onto ton, you may as well buy ton season, is to onboard new people onto ton. Now, this coin, it hit 25,000, and once it does, it goes onto a exchange called DDoS. Now, DDoS, you can see here, is just like Uniswap or PancakeSwap or any exchange that you've ever used, but inside of Telegram again, right? All you have to do is click Connect Wallet, Wallet in Telegram, open Wallet on desktop. You can open it. It opens it. Connect the wallet, go back to Dust, and there you go, right? Now, I could sell all my TSC, which I'm never going to sell, probably burn it for about $5,000 now. Bear in mind, guys, I only invested $400, right? So that's another 10x right there. This is why it's so crazy. I can buy, I can do whatever. Now, if I wanted to buy a coin, which isn't on gas, it might be a coin that's already started on gas and made it, then all I do is I go over to the DEX tools. I, first of all, verify it's the same one, so it's ton, says it there. Then I can also check the Twitter. Maybe I can check the Telegram to make sure it's the right one and ask in the community. And I can see that it says TSE here. If I copy this, go back to DDoS, I can paste it here, and I can import, and you see it will show there. Then, just for example, I can click 1 ton. Here, swap, confirm, open in Telegram, confirm it in my wallet, back to DDoS, and there you go, it's done. Sometimes you will see it refresh, but don't even worry about it. You can just go ahead and just click X, and the token is bought. Simple. A lot of times with ton as well, you have to refresh and refresh and refresh. It's just because it's a new thing. And I'm going to show you why this is so important. So that is how you buy coins. You could leave this video and go buy it if you want to. Just make sure that you come back, because this is the important why I'm so bullish on this narrative and why I know that this stuff is going to make money. So these are 3 things. TVL, which means total value locked. Volume, which is like buying and selling. Fees, revenue, active addresses. So what I like to do is I like to look at, first of all, active addresses. How many active wallets? So for example, when we just made that wallet, that's an active address. That's one new active address. When we traded and we moved ton from our exchange and we moved it onto the wallet, onto ton chain, that's TVL. That's more volume on there, right? So that is TVL and volume because it's trading. So just to explain the concepts. Now, we're going to compare Solana, ton, and base. Let's forget about Ethereum for now, because Ethereum's actually massive. Let's start with active addresses, right? If it loads. Active addresses sometimes loads, it sometimes doesn't. But, okay, let's start with TVL. So, remember we said, TVL, how much money is on the chain? Guys, if there's more money on the chain and there's not a lot of tokens, all that money goes into a small amount of tokens and those tokens go on, right? What we can see here, Solana's TVL, $4 billion. There's $4 billion on Solana, which again, it isn't a lot. There's people worth more than that, right? Individual people. Then base, $1.5 billion. Then ton, 640 million. 640 million. Tiny, right? It's almost 10 times smaller than Solana in terms of its TVL. Tiny, tiny, tiny on here, but it's very close to flipping base, which means if you own base, you have to be exposed to ton. Because if we compare things right now, what I said at the start of this video is, how many people use Solana? Everybody uses Solana, Phantom Wallet, whatever, right? Everyone knows about meme coins. But then again, if you use Solana, you have a Telegram wallet, right? Maybe there's more people in Russia, China, around the world that use Telegram but have never heard about Solana. All of those people have wallets now. They're all ingrained. So Ton is actually bigger, but has a much smaller TVL, again, because of this issue, this problem of onboarding new people to Ton. And people just learning, okay, just like you've been taught now, right? How to use a wallet, how to deposit and transfer, how to buy my first meme coin, how to send it back. Again, you just sell it to Ton and send it back. People have to learn these things, right? And when they do, this chart is going to go off the chart, guys. It's going to go off the chart because look at this. Last cycle, Solana's TVL got as high as 9 billion. And that was before the meme coin eruption. So imagine how big it's going to get now. Like, you see this first dip here into July. It's exactly the same. July, August, September, right? This is going to be the first dip this time. And then you're going to see like, whoosh, off the chart, right? That's genuinely what I believe. But this time's going to be different because there's Ton and there's base. So I don't even think Solana's going to be the biggest. I think Ton and base go up to multi-millions and billions. And if they do, that means meme coins, just like Ton Season, for example, are going to be in the hundreds of millions of dollars. And that's not, dreaming. That's just fact of how much volume is going to be coming onto the network. And they're going to be going for the biggest coins and the oldest coins on that network, right? Which is why everyone goes for Dogecoin, because it's old, right? That's all it is. It's the old coin on Ethereum or whatever. What's that old chain, right? So now you understand this, right? You now understand, and we'll keep this video short because I can go about this all day. You now understand this, guys. You know the next wave of narrative. It's Ton or base chain. And I'll do a base chain video as well. You understand the difference in growth. Ton's tiny compared to Solana, but everybody has the wallet. Billions of users use this wallet. You know that the money is going to flood into this chain like never before, as long as people start learning and people start helping other people learn and understand Ton. Now you have a job to do. I want you to share this video with a friend and help one person, just one, learn and understand Ton. Send them one Ton coin and tell them, go buy a meme coin, shill them a meme, shill them Ton Season, shill them anything, and help one person get along. And if you want to join a community of like-minded people buying meme coins, absolutely degeneracy, and you want to stay up to date with everything I'm doing, maybe you want a step-by-step guide of everything you've been through today, some more apps, some more things to follow, or you want to just stay ahead of the new wave, join my Telegram group. Link for it is in the description. With one of the fastest growing communities right now in crypto, and we don't plan on slowing down. We will be ahead of every single next wave. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.